Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your HP computer. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my HP computer and I'm going to show you how we can restore our HP computer to factory setting. Okay, first thing first, you need to open up your setting. You can click on this start menu or this Windows icon, and then it can go to your setting, or you can also search for reset this PC, this one. If you want to get quick access, you just need to type in reset this PC and this option will appear and you just need to click on it. Okay, and if you want to reset your PC, you just need to click on reset PC and you will be able to choose either you want to keep your files or remove everything from your computer. And I'm just going to cancel it guys because I don't want to reset my PC. Here I'm just going to show you the basic tutorial on how to reset or factory reset our HP computer. Alright guys, and that's all the way to factory reset in HP computer. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.